some words which we usually pronounce wrong. Number 1. Breakfast. It's not breakfast, it's breakfast. Number 2. Onion. It's not onion, it's onion. Number 3. Poem. It's not poem, it's poem. It's poem. Number 4. Data. It's not data, it's data. Number 5. Entrepreneur. It's not entrepreneur, it's entrepreneur. Number 6. Woman. It's not woman, it's women. Number 7. Almonds. It's not almonds, it's almonds. Almonds. Number 8. Vehicle. It's not vehicle, it's vehicle. Number 9. Iron. It's not iron, it's iron.